Can we do it?
Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to J Connect podcast. Today we are at Ella Green School. Here Global University Fair 2026 is happening. तो चलिए एक्सप्लोर करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे 50 से ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आई हुई हैं. Let's get inside and hear directly from some of the university representatives. So what type of guidance you all are providing for students?
Basically, we are offering allied health science courses. Allied health science courses eligibility criteria is actually the student has to from biology stream, and the age criteria is 17 to 24. We offer only allied health science courses along with our partner universities. So the courses are like BSc anesthesia, cardiovascular technology, 4 years courses, and 3 years they will learn in the university, and 4th year is their internship period. And internship period covers with paid stipend also. And then they will have the placement in Apollo hospitals. So like only MBBS is not mandatory, if you take biology.
Right.
So this scope has a high in demand in hospitals.
Nowadays, yes.
And also this courses has been designed according to Apollo hospital requirement only. So we don't take by placements and all. So according to the hospital demand, this courses has been widely open with career opportunities. Even after 4 years now, then.
Okay, nice. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Hello, sir.
This is Tukaran. We are from IIT Madras, from the Office of Global Education. So hope IIT Madras in our Chennai.
Yes,
so
sir.
same campus is established in Tanzania, the place name called Zanzibar.
Okay.
So empowering the Africa. So India have to give whatever the receive, we took education. So we need to give back to our society. Right? So that's why in that way IIT Zanzibar is started in Africa. So currently we have a bachelor's program, master's program. So in the bachelor we have data science and chemical process engineering. In MTech we have data science and ocean structure. So it is a good opportunity for the who are looking for the global education for Indian students also, and other globally who are looking for the abroad education. This is the best option. So hope you saw how IIT Madras is giving technically in our India.
Yes.
So now globally we are there. IIT
Nice.
Zanzibar.
Very nice, sir. Thank you so much.
So Audencia Business School from the France top business school. They offer an management related courses like MBA, MSc, BBA programs. So world top business school this ones. They have a lot of accredited certificates like AMBA, ASCSB, EPIS, all courses are RNCP certificate programs. They have a lot of partners with the other universities. The student can able to study in France as well as the other countries like Australia, UK, other countries also. One semester they can study there, and other semester in Paris. Different
yes.
double degree, they'll get a double degree.
Yes.
We offer a lot of scholarships for the students also, like early bird scholarship, academic scholarships, that kind of thing. Placements, lot of placements assistance we are giving. We have a career cell. They are giving a lot of placement assistance. At the same time, we have a lot of company tie-ups. So we regularly conduct some job fairs. At the time, the student can able to get an participation in the job fairs and they get a job. Mandatory internship. France is concerned, they are offering a mandatory internship for international students. After the course, they are giving a stay back also for 2 years of a stay back. So the opportunities are very good for the international students. Even Financial Times ranking also, they are in the top. Okay, based on the Financial Times ranking, it was conducted by the Financial Times magazine. They have seen a lot of students who are all participated in other companies, top companies. They are giving a very good feedback about Audencia. Based on that, the rankings also very good.
Yeah, hi mom. So this is Nishant here. So actually we are here into Ella Green with a collaboration for this education fair. So this education fair, we Amity University, we represented with MBA and BBA courses. So wherein we deal with management studies in Chennai. So this is a kind of a school, B-school, where we give MBA degree along with PGPM certificates. So this is a dual opportunity for the students to get degree plus their certification program. So here, as we see that many students are getting into touch with us for getting a deep dive knowledge into this program.
Yes.
So we are happy in collaborating with Ella Green. So we looking forward with more and more
this
opportunities.
This is very good initiative of Ella Green School.
Yes.
Hello ma'am, hello sir.
Yeah,
So yes, we are from the International Office of Asia Pacific University, Malaysia, and we offer courses in various fields, starting from undergraduate, from accounting, IT, computer engineering, software engineering, business analysis, marketing, hotel management, engineering and all.
Oh, so
To
many
our-
courses.
Yes,
Yes,
to
yes.
our PG courses as well. So APU is a one-stop destination for our international students as they can start with their international career, international education with great exposure. Our university has students from 130 countries.
Oh,
So
nice.
like you know,
बेसिकली एपीयू हमारा एपीयू कोलालमपुर के सेंटर में है वी आर द सिटी सेंटर 15 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे है एंड देन वी प्रोवाइड बस शटल सर्विसेज फॉर ऑल अकोमोडेशंस तो वी हैव रेसिडेंसेस operated by APU on campus, off campus. So अगर कोई स्टूडेंट आता है then it's more towards the fact that they have an accommodation in campus. So if they are in campus, they can just walk to the campus. If they are off campus, they get a shuttle bus. और उसके अलावा हमारे कोर्सेज जाते हैं अकाउंटिंग, बिजनेस, कंप्यूटिंग, डिज़ाइन और इंजीनियरिंग में हम लोग कंप्यूटर साइंस, डेटा साइंस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, AI ये सब में स्पेशलाइज्ड है. फिर मास्टर्स में भी हमारे पास AI, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डेटा साइंस और MBA है. MBA में भी हम लोग स्पेशलाइजेशन में फॉलो करते हैं कि if you're taking a general MBA, it's better you go for a specialization. तो MBA के साथ AI ले लो या फिर हम लोग
Side में कुछ
या
और
MBA के साथ सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट हो गया, business analytics हो गया. तो the specialization helps. Even for our undergraduate courses, computer science is general, but if you go for a specialization, like for example you go for AI, you go for data science, you go for cyber security, so that helps for your future.
मैम तो आप स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड
yes,
कराते हैं?
scholarship available है. It's based on the academic performance of the students. So जैसे स्टूडेंट का 10th और 12th कंप्लीट होता है वो हमको जैसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारी इवैल्यूएशन टीम पूरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स को एसेस करके एलिजिबिलिटी देखती हैं और स्कॉलरशिप भी प्रोवाइड करती हैं डिपेंडिंग अपॉन अगर आपका परसेंटेज 70% एंड अबव है
Above है तो,
देन योर स्कॉलरशिप स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 10% goes max up to 40%. And no IELTS is needed, no proof of any of the statements of the funds and all is needed.
Only
Just
marks.
Only marks are needed,
Yes.
evaluated उसी पे होता है. So yeah, it's a great opportunity and it's a very simple process. So and because we both are also the students of APU.
Oh, great.
Yes, he's continuing his MBA.
And today you both are representing it.
Yes, now
Nice,
we are working
great.
in the university. So
Yes.
our experience has been from a student as well. So we are obviously very delighted and welcome all the students. Like if they have any queries, any questions regarding the university courses. So yeah, we of course can.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Say hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Tricha Watts. I'm the country manager for Singapore Institute of Management based in Singapore.
Okay, ma'am. Nice.
We have an India office based in Delhi. Today we are here to meet our students from LAGREEN and to talk about the career opportunities that SIM Singapore has to offer. We have interesting undergrad programs and postgraduate programs. When we talk about undergrad options, students, year 12 pass out students can look for some good business programs, IT programs and social sciences, and they can study and live in Singapore. They can go for either a 3-year or a 4-year, a single degree or a double degree.
Okay.
When you talk about the new age program, the future of jobs are changing. So we do teach a lot of AI and machine learning and data science and business analytics. It's all part of our curriculum. And the best part is the programs that are taught in Singapore at SIM are all awarded by renowned public universities from UK, US, Australia and Canada. So it's a very interesting way of studying where your student, your child can actually study in Singapore but becomes an alumni of a British university or a US university. So I have about 10 partners from all across the world. Yeah, and they are the ones who are teaching and awarding the programs at SIM Singapore. So student basically comes to SIM, but he enrolls for a UK program or a US program. The degrees are identical. There is no dilution in teaching. And interestingly, about 60% of the curriculum is taught by the faculties who fly from the campus university, Patna University.
Okay, that's
So
great.
that's the best we can
Best,
offer, the
yes,
mix
yes.
of both East and West. So children can choose from various options that are available.
Okay.
I wanted to talk about our scholarships. So SIM, we also have our own scholarships for the students who are enrolled for various partner university programs. One is at a diploma level. completely based on merit. We also have scholarship up to 15,000 Sing dollar called SIM Award, and we also have something called SIM Star Awards,
Okay.
which is about 51,000 Sing dollar,
Okay.
and all based on merit. So, sports excellence, artistic excellence, overall profile,
Yes.
good communicator.
It's not only
good-
for academic, it's
Yes.
for overall.
Yes. So we assess the overall profile of the student, and if he has that thing in him, I will recommend that he fights for those scholarships.
हेलो सर, प्लीज़ बताइए बिट्स डिज़ाइन स्कूल के बारे में.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. मेरा नाम कुमारन है. So I have come from Mumbai, BITS Pilani Mumbai campus. So we have started BITS Design School in the year 2024, and this is our third batch. Generally, the application starts from October, and the students of 12th standard from any stream can apply to us, and it closes by us. So students can apply with all these three scores. We'll take the best of these three scores to shortlist them. Okay. So we'll be shortlisting around 850 students for the second round, which is portfolio, followed by the online interview process. So these three process combines to get admission in design school, the Mumbai campus. We also have scholarships. We have merit-based scholarship, we have merit community scholarship, and the Chancellor scholarship. And this whole program is residential, means the students have to stay there only.
Okay, good.
So the Chancellor scholarship means the top 4 students of the whole process will get 100% scholarship on the tuition fees.
Okay.
Right, and followed by merit scholarship and the merit community scholarship. For example, last year we had the intake of 180 students, and 90 students out of 180 means 50%. They are studying on scholarship, and we are offering this five pathways: this physical product designing, digital product designing, experience designing, design research, and visual designing. So the first 1.5 years is a common foundation for all these pathways. Followed by they will choose a pathway after 1.5 years, and they will be doing internships, projects, and all these pathways. And we also have BITS Practice School, which is very new, say Tripur Design School, but it is followed by the BITS Pilani since say 5 decades. So BITS Practice School has more than 500 companies where the students are supposed to do the internships after the second year, this is 8 week, followed by at the end of 4 years they have to do around 22 weeks of the internship. That's optional, but second year is compulsory.
Okay, sir.
Our intention जो है behind this education is to help the students who are not able to pay us. That's why we have around 50% of students studying on scholarship. Right.
Hey everyone, my name is Meher Wadhwa. I represent Wilfrid Laurier University. We are located in Waterloo. This is Silicon Valley of Canada with more than 3,000 plus IT companies wherein 90% of Chennai students want to work. So please come talk to me and let's have a great session. Thank you.
So, my name is Gayatri. I am representing VIT today. I am here for Ella Green's University Fair, and I'm so happy to be a part of this event. They have organized it so well. I can contact with other parents and students. There are many people coming and visiting our stalls. I'm so glad to express my university's legacy and all those. So we usually specialize on engineering. Now we are moving to masters and business and other stuffs as well. So it's very nice to interact with students and parents. They are also gaining some insights from me, and I'm also learning, still learning from them.
Yes, okay, nice, ma'am. Very. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes, ma'am. So, बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके.
Thank you, यार. Thank
काफ़ी
you.
सारे स्टॉल्स हैं और बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन पता चल
Yes.
रहा है और ये बहुत ही यूज़फुल है.
Yes. टोटली हम लोग 56 यूनिवर्सिटी लेके आए थे. तो मतलब ग्लोबल एंड नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज. They are from US. We have few universities, and from UK we have nearly 15 to 16 universities. उसके बाद हम लोग का इटली का मतलब फ्री यूनिवर्सिटीज भी है. Where you can find you can get a free scholarship over there.
100%
वो भी है, scholarship है. और I mean we have the IVB, which is from a business venture, which is from Chennai. So ये सब कुछ universities भी हम लोग लेके आए थे, so that everybody will explore and they can get an opportunity to understand कि what is the requirement everybody are looking at. So yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much. Thank you.
This experience was amazing. Thanks to Ella Green School for creating this platform. Thank you everyone for watching and stay connected.